The detection of high-resolution hyperspectral images requires the removal of noise and atmospheric effects. Currently, the main focus of hyperspectral image denoising is mainly focused on image classification from hyperspectral images. However, the noise reduction algorithms, which are used in the real-world applications, are not well understood. In this paper, a comprehensive review of the hyperspectral noise reduction techniques is presented with the performance comparisons of low-rank and high-rank methods. The results of the experiments indicate that the use of low-rank denoising methods can improve the classification accuracy in hyperspectral images. The visual impact of the developed denoising algorithms on hyperspectral images will be discussed.
This article is titled Noise Reduction in Hyperspectral Imagery, Overview and Application and was authored by Behnood Rasti, Paul Scheunders, Pedram Ghamisi, Giorgio Licciardi, and Jocelyn Chanussot.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.